Hi everyone, welcome to iTuitions. In this session, we will look at how to expand double brackets. Before you start, you must have previous knowledge of these areas. I have covered these in my previous videos. Expanding double brackets is a bit more tricky than single brackets. This time you have to multiply everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. I will use the FOIL method to show you how to do this. FOIL is an acronym for firsts, outers, inners, and lasts. So you start by multiplying the first in the first bracket by the first in the second bracket. So x multiplied by x gives us x squared. Then we multiply the outers. The outer in the first bracket is the x, and the outer in the second bracket is the 3. X multiplied by 3 gives us 3x. Then we multiply the inners. The inner in the first bracket is the 6, and the inner in the second bracket is the x. 6 multiplied by x gives us 6x. And then we multiply the last. The last in the first bracket is the 6, and the last in the second bracket is the 3. 6 multiplied by 3 gives us 18. We will now simplify this expression. The x squared will stay the same because we don't have any other like terms to add to. 3x plus 6x is the same as 3 multiplied by x plus 6 multiplied by x, which is 9 multiplied by x. The 18 will also stay the same because we don't have any other like terms. And this is a simplified expression. Let me show you another example, and this time I'm using some negative terms. For this, you must remember how to multiply your negative numbers. So just a quick recap. When you multiply or divide a positive number by a positive, you get a positive. If you multiply a positive by a negative, you get a negative. Or divide. If you multiply or divide a negative by a positive, you get a negative again. But if you multiply a negative by a negative, multiply or divide, you get a positive. So let's start by multiplying the first, which is x by x, and this gives us x squared. Then we'll do the outers, which is x and 6, and this is 6x. Then we'll do the inners, which is a negative 4 and x, and this gives us a negative 4x. And then the last. The last is the negative 4 and the 6, which gives us negative 24. Again, we'll now simplify this by adding up any like terms. X squared stays the same. We don't have any other like terms. A positive 6x and a negative 4x are like terms. So if we add these together, we're left with a 2x. And the negative 24 will stay the same as we don't have any other like terms. And this is the simplified expression. Let me show you a squared bracket. This means this is multiplied by itself 2 times. So we start by writing out the brackets, 2 separate brackets, so that you don't miss a step. 3x, negative 2, 3x, negative 2. We can get rid of this now. And then you'll apply the same method again, the FOIL method, to expand these. 3x multiplied by 3x is 9x squared. 3x multiplied by negative 2 will give us a negative 6x. Negative 2 multiplied by 3x will give us a negative 6x. And then the final step, negative 2 multiplied by negative 2, which means it will turn to a positive number, positive 4. And again, we're going to simplify this now. 9x squared negative 6x plus a negative 6x gives us a negative 12x plus the 4, and this is your simplified expression. Have a go at these practice questions. I have put the answers in the description box of the video. In my next video, I'm going to show you the opposite of expanding, which means to put brackets back in, and we call this factorizing. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to my channel for more videos.